What's good, guys? I'm in a RAV4. I'm with Loki. We're shooting a Ferrari. That right there is a Ferrari. And yeah, where are we right now?
We are at Bartlett Lake.
We're at Bartlett Lake in Arizona, obviously. Shooting Carefree Highway, shooting a Ferrari 458. So the guy who owns it, his name is Elvis. I'll leave his Instagram right here. Hopefully you guys can hear me because the wind is loud, but the air feels good in Arizona, so you guys know what it is. But anyway, so yeah, the guy who owns it, his name is Elvis. I'll leave his Instagram down below and right here somewhere all over the video. Make sure you go drop a follow on him on Instagram because he has two sick cars, not just that Ferrari 458, but the white GTR and the GTR night video. And if you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and go watch it. But yeah, this is behind the scenes number 3, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So drop a like and go ahead and subscribe for some more content to come. And yeah, behind the scenes number 3, let's do it. All right, so God, it's sunny. Face this way. All right, so there's the Ferrari right over there. So right now we're setting up a GoPro. It's like the brand new GoPro that Loki has. And we're gonna set it on at an angle on the front fender so that we can get a shot of the wheels turning and stuff on some of these hills and these twists and turns. I already actually got into the back of the RAV4 back here, and with the gimbal, I went ahead and I stuck my body out of the car and got some really nice shots, and I'll input them right now. Yeah, hopefully those shots turned out to look nice. Obviously that's the raw unedited shot, so you guys got to check out the full-length cinematic video to check out the color grading and everything like that. But anyways, this is kind of our setup right now. I just wanted to show you guys. We're over here on the Ferrari, and that's what the GoPro is going to be looking at. So you got the brake and the wheel, and we want to get it moving left and right. Say hi, Elvis.
Howdy, how's it going?
So anyways, yeah, that's what we're working with. So we're gonna go back down the mountain and we're gonna take those shots of the wheels and stuff, and then right after that the plan is to go ahead and do some static shots right next to a lake that's back there, because I think the Ferrari would be really dope. And then I did take some rolling pictures. Go check out the Instagram if you haven't yet. It's walltap.media. Go ahead and check out that Instagram handle, and you'll see pictures of this Ferrari on it. So yeah, we're gonna get these shots done. So as I was saying, guys, before I had to jet because we were doing the shot, we have a GoPro on the inside of the car right now, and what I wanted is I wanted to get all the tachometer and stuff moving, the needles moving. I wanted to get a push button startup shot. I wanted to get interior shots of him actually driving the car. I don't know if you guys ever seen the inside of a 458, but that thing looks like a freaking jet. It looks amazing. So the interior of that car is black, and I kind of wanted to get just some nice action shots inside the car, shifting gears with the paddles, turning the wheel, everything like that, just to make everything in between the driving shots like look way more cool. Because I like doing action shots in between like some of the driving shots. I think that stuff like that is really cool. So yeah, I was driving the RAV4. We just finished the shot. I think the next plan is to go up and finally do some static shots with the actual car itself. And then I figure what I'm gonna start doing, instead of making like 2 different videos of like, or trying to, excuse me, instead of putting an interview inside the video for more of a cinematic experience, I want to kind of do the bio and stuff like that. I kind of want to do that on Instagram, and once I post it up on Instagram, there will be a link to the full video in the bio and stuff like that, where you can swipe up, or my story where you can swipe up and hit hey, take me to the video on YouTube. So I think I kind of want to do that. That way you can get more of a sense of who the person is behind the car, because I'm sure some people want to meet Elvis and be like, oh dude, how did you get that car? You know, why a Ferrari? Why this? Why that? So that's kind of my perspective on that. So I'm going to be posting that on Instagram. We're going to shoot that, and then we're going to do some static shots. I kind of want to do some more rollers. I want to kind of get the side and the back angles of the car. we did follow shots, we did chase shots, stuff like that. So this is kind of the last things that we're gonna do, and yeah. What's up? What's the plan?
All right.
Oh, I just took his walkie-talkie.
Yeah. So anyways, yeah, I think the plan is to go start those static shots. So that's what we're gonna go do then. All right, I'll see you up at the lake, guys. Peace. Okay, so we pulled off to the road, guys, and the lake is right behind us. I don't know if you guys can see it. You should be able to now. So the lake's right behind us. We pulled the Ferrari on the side of the road, and then what I am doing is I'm taking just some static shots of the Ferrari, and then obviously I want the lake in the background because it looks really nice. And then we have a couple cactuses in the background, and yeah, the shoot's looking really good, really strong. But like I said, right now I'm gonna do a little interview. I'm gonna post it on the Instagram just so you guys can get a better picture of who he is as a person and stuff like that, his car and stuff. I'll put his Instagram, like I said in the video, but this is his Instagram right here. Make sure you go drop a follow because he has 2 sick cars. So yeah. Anyways though, alright, I'm gonna get on with the interview then. So guys, Elvis is kindly letting me ride in his Ferrari. Thank you so much. No problem. Thank you. And should be really fun.
Hey.
Let's see how this goes. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, it's on rails. Wow. Oh my goodness, the grip is insane. Whoa, it's alright, yeah. The grip in this car is amazing. Oh my goodness, dude. This car is wild, guys. If you haven't taken a ride in it, yeah, you have to take a ride in it. Elvis, thank you so much for giving me a ride.
Anytime.
Oh, that was amazing. Woo, that was a great car.
Time to go eat now, right?
Yes. Oh, I'm so hungry. Awesome. Whew. Thank you again, Elvis. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, that car is on rails, dude. That car is on rails. Woo. You're right though. It is a little bit stiffer than yours. It is way more stiffer than yours. And the V8, dude, I don't know what they do to that V8, but it's so sick. Anyways, thanks. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go eat, and we're gonna get something to eat, get something to drink, and yeah, might be the end of the video. I'll take some more shots of the Ferrari as it drives past us, but other than that, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below, which maybe what you want to see next, and check out the Instagram because this car is going to be all over it. All right, guys. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.